past 2 weeks, I couldn't win. I mean, I couldn't adjust the ball and the court, the bit windy. But finally, I could adjust today. And then also, I saw his practice in the morning. He has a good shot, but also missed a lot. So I just be patient in the match. Also, yeah, I just make a ball a lot. And then he looks like I gave up in the middle of a match. So yeah, I just played decent, like focus on my tennis, and then I won the match. Yeah.
You know, I had my chances. I thought had a lot of break points in the match, just couldn't really convert. But yeah, I mean, overall, just a poor performance from me today. I think you know, coming in, I think I could have maybe prepared better. My footwork was bad, and yeah, I mean, he's a good player, of course. You know, not taking anything away from him, but yeah, you know, I had my chances, but you know, just back to the drawing board from here.